And here we are underneath the front of an RB44 with a little bit of rot here and there. We're not here for the rot today. Today we're here to clean. We're trying to get the chassis area and the engine area a lot cleaner. And we want all the oil and gunk and nastiness off down here. And over here, look at these funny front end 4-wheel drive arrangements on this big huge thing. So, all the way down. Oh, there's a wee close up. There's one on this side. Shockies don't look too bad. Floor has obviously had a fair amount of work done to it. And we will be continuing that fear by doing a fair amount of more work to it. So I don't think we'll bother filming the cleaning